Magnet, as we know, as a layman, if you try to understand magnet, anything that attracts iron and iron-like objects, it is termed as magnet. When there is a wire and there is electric current passing through it, it also behaves like a magnet. So what are the properties of magnet? Every magnet has a north pole and a south pole. Same poles, they repel each other, and unlike poles, they attract each other. That means north and south, they are going to attract each other, while north and north, they are going to repel each other. Same goes with south and south. A freely suspended magnet will align itself in north-south direction. Means if this is a magnet, then if it is freely suspended like this, then it is going to align itself to north-south direction, north facing north of the magnet and south facing south of the magnet. So here north and north, they are repelling, south and south, they are repelling. See, they are repelling. South and north and north and south, they are attracting.